KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken fried steak Monsieur. Alright, it sounds like a mouthful. This is just really tasty, good home cooking type stuff. Alright, first thing I've got some little sizzle steaks that I've bought from my local supermarket, really finely cut little steaks. Going to give those a really good seasoning with some black, white pepper and some salt. Now, over on the right hand side, I've just got some store-bought breadcrumbs. And on the left there, I've got some beaten egg, about 4 to 5 beaten eggs. Right, so give those a really good season up. And as you can see, these steaks look absolutely beautiful. Make sure you always buy these when they're on special. Believe me, beef in Australia at the moment, not so cheap, but we can get lucky every now and then, just like I did this weekend. All right, give them a good dip in the breadcrumb, and give them a good dip into the egg, and back into the breadcrumb. Now, if you want to go ahead and do the whole flour, egg, breadcrumb type thing, by all means, but why? This is just really simple, quick, and easy. All right, we've got these beautiful steaks all now flour, breadcrumbed up, and we can just put those aside. All right, keep going with all the rest of them. Now, in the meantime, I've already got a little bit of oil starting to warm up into a fry pan. We don't want it too hot and we don't want it too cold. We just want that Goldilocks type temperature, and we'll see how that goes in a minute. All right, so just keep breading up your little sizzle steaks just like that. Really nice and easy, and I'll tell you what, this is a meal the kids will absolutely love. I've got a tiny bit of our breadcrumb in there just to see how our temperature is. Put that in. As you can see, we've got a tiny bit of bubblage. This could probably go just a touch higher. The first one is always the worst. They never always work out, and look, I've a tendency to burn myself anyway, so I never like making things too hot to start with. As you can see, with those little bubbles around the edges, absolutely perfect. That is our Goldilocks type temperature. We're going to cook those off for about 3 minutes there, and we'll give them a bit of a turn. We can start adding in our other ones. Now that oil started to come up to a little bit better heat, those little tiny bubbles around the edges, absolutely perfect. Alright, give them a cook through. Once they're done, we just want a nice little golden color on those. We can set those aside just like that. Alright, now if you haven't had chicken fried steak before, firstly, it tastes great. It is absolutely amazing. Nothing better than doing a schnitzel type meal. There's just something about it at this time of year which I absolutely love. Okay, and we can serve this up with whatever you like. I'm going to keep things really basic and real pub school. Alright, so as you can see, that nice little ring of bubblage we've got around the outside. Give them a turn after a couple of minutes or so. These things are really thin. If you actually put them on a hot plate, you would cook these in like 90 seconds, believe it. Alright, so we can put those aside, keep them in a warm spot, keep going with the rest of them, just like that. Now, this recipe is far from over. Alright, we've only just made our chicken fried steak. We haven't even gone to the Monsieur bit. Now, if you haven't had a croque monsieur or a croque madame before, you don't know what you're missing. You can turn something that is an old school French type recipe and really ramp it up and give it a good southern vibe, like we're going to do here today. Alright, so those are all cooked off just like that. Nice and easy, and let's finish these off. So here I've got some sliced ham I've just bought from my local deli, and we're just going to add that sliced ham straight over the top. Okay, and that beautiful salty ham is going to work perfectly with this particular type of dish. So just evenly give them a little bit of a dressing with that, just like I'm doing right there. Now we need to top this off. Now here I've got some Maasdam cheese. You could use a Jarlsberg or Swiss cheese. I'll leave it up to you. You want something with a bit of bite to it. We're going to put that straight on top of our slices of ham, just like that. Now in the meantime, I've already got my salamander or my grill already heating up, because these are going to go in for around about 3 to 4 minutes tops, or until we end up with a real nice meltage of our cheese, and hopefully we might even get a little bit of bubblage and a little bit of brownage. Alright, so we're just going to put those straight over like that. I think that's about right. I'm pretty happy with that. That's going to go into the salamander. As I said, 3-4 minutes ish. Okay, out, they come back in. Look at the colour on that. Serve a couple up per person. It's quite a light meal, and I'm going to serve this up just with a few fries. You can serve it up with some mashed potatoes, salad, whatever you like. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's super easy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. I'd like to see your thoughts on my cooking. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something, we've taken a little bit of a French dish and just really southernized it, just like this one. We need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my chicken fried steak, Monsieur, and I will catch you next time. Bye.